Hi guys, and welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that appeared on the 2003 Cayley Math Contest. The problem states that in the diagram, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equaling AC and BC equals 30 centimeters. Square EFGH, which has a side length of 12 centimeters, is inscribed into triangle ABC as shown. The area of triangle AEF in centimeters squared is, and then you have 5 options. So let's get into it. So let's first summarize what is given in the problem before we solve the problem. We know that AB equals to AC, and thus it's an isosceles triangle, as the question says. We also know that BC is equal to 30 centimeters. And the side length of the square is 12 centimeters. So in the bottom, I've drawn a little diagram here. And basically what we've done is we've drawn a median from A to the midpoint of BC. That's what a median is. We've drawn a median from A to BC. And the median is also perpendicular to BC because this side equals this side. It's an isosceles triangle, which means the median will be perpendicular. Okay? And what this also means is that the angle AJC and the angle AJB are 90 degrees because it's perpendicular, right? So that's the information we have so far. So now we've brought the sketch here, and we have the median drawn, and we know that the median is perpendicular. So we know that EH is 12 centimeters, and since due to mid-segment theorem of a triangle, since J is a midpoint, EI equals 6 centimeters, right? And using that information, we can deduce that triangles AEI and triangles ABJ are similar because these two angles are the same because they're alternate angles, and also these two angles are right because they're perpendicular, and if this angle is the same, this angle is the same, then obviously these two angles will be the same. So they're similar triangles. And since AEI and ABJ are similar, we can define a variable h, and when we apply one of the key principles of similar triangles, we get that BJ over EI equals to AJ over AI, which is basically 15, because BJ is 15, over 6, EI is 6, is equal to H, which is AJ, over H minus 12, which is AI, because this is 12. J is 12, right? So AI is basically AJ minus IJ, which is AJ minus 12. And since AJ is H, it would be H minus 12. Okay? When we cross multiply, we get that 15 times H minus 12 equals to 6H. And when you expand, you get 15H minus 180 equals to 6H. And 15H minus 6H equals 180, which means 9H equals to 180. And thus, H is 20 centimeters. Okay? So, if H is 20 centimeters, from our previous equation, where this AI is H minus 12, we determined that earlier. From our previous equation, AI equals H minus 12, we know that H is 20, right? So we can say AI is 20 minus 12, which is 8 centimeters. So now for the triangle AEF, we have the height and we have the base, which is 12. So all we have to do is, to find the area, is to put it into the equation half times base times height, which gets you half times 12 times 8, which is basically 6 times 8, which is 48 centimeters squared. So thus, D is the answer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.